Hello, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I have got one more project to do for the paper pumpkin kit for February 2023. It's a bonus one. I finished all my videos, last one posted this morning, but I did have one viewer say, wouldn't it be nice if there was one that was kind of rainy on the outside and happy and sunny on the inside, the transition between, feeling badly and feeling better. And it was an idea I'd been playing with, but I really hadn't kind of got down to. So I've done that now. So almost all of the elements are from the kit. I've got a card base here that's basic white, and I've used greetings from the Beautifully Happy set. So, and the greetings are sending happy thoughts for a feel better kind of day. And I've done an offset gatefold card. So this is the full length, so 11 cut to 4 1/4. So 11 by 4 1/4. And then I scored it from one end in at 3 1/2 and from the other end in at 2. So when you fold it together, they meet. If you score it and they don't quite meet, just give them a little push and then use your bone folder to square up one edge, just so that they do meet. Because sometimes, depending on if you're just this side of the line or just that side of the line, it can be a little bit off. So then I've got my pieces for the outside. This is the inside of one of the cards. It's 3 1/4 by 4, and on the other side is 1 3/4 by 4. And then I'm using elements from the kit. This is the inside of one of the cards. I've double stamped the sun so it's nice and deep in the Mango Melody, and the greeting is stamped right underneath kind of the rainbow there. So why don't we just get started on putting this card together? So I'll work on the outside first. So we're just going to flat mount these items, and the only little critter I've got left is the turtle, and I've got an umbrella left, so that's what's going on the outside of the card. And then it's just the rainbow on the inside. So make sure we've got our raindrops going the right way up. That's always helpful. Just line that up and drop it down. If you wanted to cut this to the exact size, you can. You would cut it to 3 1/2 by 4 1/4 if you wanted to fill the whole space. And then again with this one, if you wanted it to fill the whole space, it would be 2 by 4 1/4. So, whoops, I'll just add this in with the margins or borders like that. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with dimensionals, and I'm going to dimensionalize the clouds. So pop a couple of dimensionals on each one, and then I'll add the clouds. I've got a cloud for the other side as well. So I'm just going to pop this down like this, and then this one like this. So really a lot of this video is just actually putting the card together. So I'll put that at a bit of a different angle. We'll put some more dimensionals on this one. And then let's pop this one, maybe put this one like this so that they kind of zigzag across the top. We're going to dimensionalize our little tortoise. Okay, here we go. See, I put my dimensionals down like 3 seconds ago and already I can't find them. So put this down like this. Just going to pop him like that, and then I'm going to tuck the umbrella handle in behind. So I'm just going to put that like that, and then we can dimensionalize the greeting on the front. I'm not 100% on the greeting, and on the stylish shape die that I used to put it together. So I'm just going to overlap this a little bit so that it's kind of all one piece. It looks like it's all one piece across the front, but you can still open it up just fine. Just tuck it in like that. I'm going to now flat mount the inside. Not a lot going on the inside. I've got this cut down to the 5 1/4 by 4 for the inside. And again, we're just going to line that up. Make sure we've got good margins around the edge. And then I was wanted to put the flowers down like this, just along the bottom. It's not necessarily grass, it's just the bottom of the rainbow, but however you perceive it. In this case, I'm kind of saying it's a grassy hill. So we're going to put the flowers just on there like that, so they kind of go up. If you look at this as ground and sky here, so they're growing up towards the sky, and then you've got the different shades in the sky. So that's essentially the card. What I wanted to do is just add some of the raindrops in on the front. So just picking the raindrops up and putting them down kind of either side of the umbrella, so that the tortoise is being kind of protected by the umbrella. So we'll just put some in like that, and maybe we'll just drop one up here like that. So this kind of this cascade of raindrops coming down. These suckers are really sticky. Oh, and now he's run right underneath the cloud. Okay, so I want that to be straight is why I did that. So there we go. You could use these ones, the little flirty flamingo ones. Like I say, I'm a little not sure about this. I'm wondering if maybe I should put, I didn't want to put a cloud or anything on there because it's sending happy thoughts. So I think I might just leave that as it is. It picks up the mango melody in here, and then you open it up and it's for a feel better kind of day. So you're going from kind of the rainy down kind of day to the nice sunny day. So after the video, I'm going to add a couple more of the raindrops to here, but you don't need to watch me do that in the video. So thank you so much for watching this bonus take on an alternate card for the February 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit.